Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the rows you want removed. Click the row number at left. For a block, use Shift plus click. For scattered rows, use Ctrl or CMD while clicking. Once selected, make sure the entire row is highlighted. This ensures you won't accidentally delete only cell contents. If you prefer keyboard only, press Shift plus space to select the current row, then extend with Shift plus arrow. Now that the rows are selected, move to the next action to remove them cleanly. Once rows are selected, you can delete via right-click or menu. Right-click any selected row and pick Delete Rows followed by the range shown. That immediately removes rows and shifts remaining rows up. Alternatively, open the Edit menu and choose Delete Row, S for the same effect. For speed, use the keyboard shortcut listed for your platform. It's faster for repeat work. Make sure formulas referencing deleted rows update as expected. If not, check formula ranges before confirming multiple deletions. Finish by verifying your sheet. Scan formulas, charts, and named ranges that might reference removed rows so nothing breaks unexpectedly. If you made a mistake, immediately press Ctrl plus Z or use Edit Undo to restore the rows. If deletion fails, make sure you're not in a filter view that hides rows, and check for protected ranges or sheet permissions that prevent edits. If protections block you, remove protection or ask the owner. Once cleared, repeat the delete step and confirm the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.